Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome for all grade 6 students. Selamat datang untuk semua siswa kelas 6. This is going to be our last material before your midterm exam. Ini adalah materi terakhir sebelum kalian menghadapi penilaian tengah semester next week, ya, minggu depan. Okay, so let's just get to the point for the material. If you miss the materials last weeks or maybe the last week, kalau kalian ketinggalan materi sebelumnya, you can come and visit the channel by the name Ahmad Taufik. You can check all the materials and the explanations over there. Jadi semua video penjelasan dan materi ada di sana semua. If you have questions, you can just write your comment and then I will answer as soon as possible. Kalau ada pertanyaan, taruh aja di kolom komentar, akan saya jawab secepatnya. Okay, for today's mission, we are going to learn about need to. What's the meaning of need to? Need to means perlu, or not need to. It means clear tidak perlu. Should, it means sebaiknya or seharusnya. Should not, means sebaiknya tidak or sebaiknya tidak. And then must means harus. And must not doesn't mean tidak harus ya. Must not means dilarang. So that's the meaning. And need to, not need to, should not, they have one function. Jadi mereka berempat ini fungsinya satu. For giving suggestions, jadi untuk memberi saran. Must is to give obligation atau untuk memberikan kewajiban. Must not is for prohibition atau memberikan larangan. So there are four for giving suggestions, one for obligation, and one for prohibition. 4 cara untuk memberikan saran, 4 cara untuk memberikan kewajiban, and satu cara maksudnya untuk memberikan kewajiban dan 1 cara untuk memberikan larangan. Let's go to the examples maybe. Let's see some situation. Kita lihat beberapa situasi. I cannot see clearly. Saya nggak bisa melihat dengan jelas. If we can express a suggestion with need to, kalau kita bisa memberikan saran dengan need to, apa kira-kira? If you cannot see clearly, maybe you can say, I need to wear glasses. I need to wear glasses. Saya perlu memakai kacamata. If you cannot see clearly. Maybe the next situation. Your bedroom has been cleaned. Kamar tidurmu sudah dibersihkan. Nah, if you can give something with not need to, what could it be? Kira-kira apa kalau pakai not need to? Maybe you can say, you do not need to or you don't need to clean it. Nah, jadi kamu tidak perlu membersihkannya. Maksudnya sudah dibersihin, jadi tidak perlu dibersihkan lagi. Next situation, we hear something from the kitchen at midnight. Nah, so jadi ada mendengarkan sesuatu dari dapur tengah malam. So if you use should, what should you do? Kalian mesti ngapain? Maybe, if you are brave, kalau kalian berani, you can say, we should check it out. Jadi kita perlu check it out, kita perlu cek. Jadi nggak cuma video YouTube yang check it out ya. Maybe the voice from your kitchen, you should check it out. Jadi nggak cuma video YouTube, tapi suara di dapur kalian juga harus kalian periksa. Let's go for the next situation. Momo burned her leg after playing with fire. Jadi Momo nggak sengaja membakar tangannya. Oh, maksudnya itu kakinya ya. Leg itu kakinya. It's a typo there. Setelah bermain api. Maybe if you use should not, you can say, she should not play with fire. Dia sebaiknya seharusnya tidak bermain dengan api. She should not play with fire. Now, those 4 are the suggestions. But how about if we give obligation with must? Gimana kalau dengan memberikan kewajiban menggunakan must? Let's see the situation. Marcus has a new pet. Marcus punya peliharaan baru. Nah, kira-kira kewajibannya apa? Maybe give food, feed the pet, memberikan makan mungkin. Or maybe you can say, he must take care of it. Dia harus merawatnya. Nah, the next one, the situation with must not, dilarang. Jadi gimana cara kita memberikan larangan? For example, this is the situation. Alan and Dio have to wake up early tomorrow. Jadi Alan dan Dio harus bangun lebih awal besok. What must not they do? Apa yang mereka tidak boleh lakukan atau dilarang lakukan? Maybe they must not drink coffee, or maybe they must not stay up late. Mungkin nggak boleh begadang. Maybe you can also say this. They must not sleep late. Mereka nggak boleh tidur terlambat. So they are the explanations for today's material. For need to, not need to, should not. They are for suggestions. Must for obligations. Must not for prohibition. Jadi masing-masing ada fungsinya ya. 4 untuk saran, must untuk kewajiban, and must not for larangan. Okay, so that will be all for the materials today. If you have any questions, like I said, you can put it in the commentary column in my YouTube video. Kalau ada pertanyaan, silahkan taruh di kolom komentar di YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. If you have questions, I will appreciate any of it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.